There's a little piece that's got to go right in here. And then as this roll gets empty, I can squeeze the tube. This video is dedicated to all of you who've enjoyed the build series. In this one, I'm just picking up from where I left off before, so it's just filling in that gap. Super happy about that. Alright, back to it. Today, gonna work a bit more on this whole thing, and maybe I can get in this part of the cabinet built. There's a little piece that's gotta go right in here, and then the top. So, and of course the drawer that's gonna be right here. So, here we go. Woo! So this is the front part of the galley. That's a piece of laminate right here, just countertop laminate, looks like that. And it's just about ready to be glued right along there. Now all those cuts right here partially go through the plywood. And that was so that I can put on that radius right there. And that's just tacked in with some 18 gauge brad nails along here and some glue. And then I made this, this top piece, and there's an angle here, 15 degrees that matches this, and then there's this groove right here, so that's going to accept 1/4 inch ply that's going to get put in like this, and I'll brad nail it to here and here, and that'll just be a little pocket where I can put my privacy curtain. That's where I'm going to store my water jugs, and then this side will be accessed when I open the door, so I can still get to the water jugs, and I'll have this little compartment where I can put whatever I decide to. Anyway, that's where I got to so far. I'm gonna keep going, but I'm just taking a break at the moment. Okay, so I got that countertop cut out, and I'm going to use this strip of aluminum here for the back side, and that's just going to work as a little edge banding per se, and it'll give it a bit of a lip. So this is the aft cabinet for the galley, and you can see there's quite a lot going on here. And then there's the forward ones right here, and there's quite a bit going on with this one too. Okay, so next up is getting this in here. So that's gonna go right in there like that. And so what I'm going to use as a dowel is I've got this This is from a project that was actually a friend of a friend's project, but they said I could keep this material they were moving, and anyway, haven't had a use for it for a while. Basically what it is it's just a nylon dowel, so it's pretty slippery. And the reason I'm using it is because I got it, and it saves me from going out and getting a piece of wood dowel. So that's gonna go across like that, and this is gonna go in there like so. There's going to be a hole here and a hole here, so it'll slide in from the side, and then as this roll gets empty, I can squeeze the tube and just push it off to the side, and then take it all the way out, change out for a new tube, and it'll be just like that. To do that, I'm going to have to move the fridge out to do it, but I think that's going to give me a real slick setup with this. Okay, there we go. Super happy about that. Okay, just got to do a paint on this, and then it's gonna go back in. that's it for today. I'm gonna clean things up. I'm glad of where I left off. The next step on this is going to be to fill in all these little holes. I'm probably going to add a couple screws just to make it extra secure. And yeah, I'm going to clean up, call it a day. I'll come back here tomorrow. But it was a really good day considering I wasn't planning on being here anyway. So I'm really happy that I got this like pretty well. Like, you know, there's a few little things. I got to make a little ledge in there. So what those clips are is they're a push release clip. So this door is held, it's not gonna go anywhere, and if I wanna open it up, I just press on it. That releases it, and you can open it up. And then I can pull this out. So that's where my fire extinguisher is gonna live. Yeah. Super happy about that. The top up here, I'm gonna be cutting a hole in the top. That's where my, my pee bottle is gonna live. And there'll be a little ledge that I put in underneath there. It doesn't need to be very much, just enough to catch the bottom of the bottle, so it's at the height that I want to have it. And then, God forbid there's any sort of spills, but if there is some sort of spill inside of there, I can open this up and then just clean it out, pull this out, clean it out. I guess the main thing about the pee bottle is make sure the lid's on there good. Anyway, guys, that's it. I'm cleaning up and I'm gonna go somewhere and sleep. See you tomorrow.